Hello, everyone, and very good evening to each and every one of you, especially all the teachers, the students, all the mentors who have joined us for this exciting new session of ATL Tinkerpreneur 2024. So, hope you all have tuned into many of our sessions happening. Like we are having actually 2 to 3 sessions per week about ATL Tinkerpreneur. First, we started with learning about digital skills, then how to make actually create a product, then how to refine the product, and in the last 2 days we learned how to create a business model and how to actually write down a business model canvas. So today we move on to our next part, that is about branding and marketing. You all might be knowing that branding and marketing are key elements for your business to prosper. So if you just create the product, that's not enough. In order to reach your end user, you need to use branding and marketing. And to help us learn in that aspect of the business, we have Jaya Malhotra, who is our very own Tinker champ. You might have seen Jaya in many previous sessions of ATL Tinkerpreneur. So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce Jaya Malhotra, a key member of Tinker Champs. So, Jaya, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. For the introduction.
Yeah, we are
And
really very excited
also,
for this session. So, over to you.
likewise. Yes, thank you, sir. So, before I start, a huge thank you to Atal Innovation Mission, Tinker Champs, and the entire organizing team for doing this. It really means a lot to the speakers as well as the students who are participating, the teachers and mentors, and everyone involved. And thank you to Suman sir for the introduction too. And now let's dive into marketing and branding, right? Okay. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a very important topic in your entrepreneurial journey, marketing your digital product. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I'm Jia Malhotra, the founder of Quaish, dedicated to supporting children with intellectual disabilities. I'm also a proud member of the National Tinkerchamp Club. At Tinkerchamps, we foster entrepreneurship, innovation, and the culture of tinkering through peer mentoring, workshops, boot camps, web portals, and things like that. We've also collaborated with the government of India with this, which is Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog too. Today, we're diving deep into the dynamic world of marketing and branding, essential for effectively showcasing your products and ideas to the world. Whether you're launching a startup or managing an established brand, understanding these principles is crucial for standing out in a competitive market. Imagine that you've come up with something very nice, like your digital product, a new app, a unique service, or maybe an innovative project. You're really eager to showcase it to the world. But how do you get others just as eager? That's where marketing comes in. So, what exactly is marketing? At its core, marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services to a target audience. It's about understanding what people want or need, then creating a strategy to connect with them in meaningful ways. Think of marketing as storytelling with a purpose. It's not just about advertisements or flashy campaigns, though those can be a part of it. It's about crafting messages that resonate, build relationships, and creating value for both customers and your business or project. Take Airbnb for example. They started with a very simple idea, offering unique local experiences to travelers. Their marketing wasn't just about showing pretty pictures of accommodations, it was about tapping into people's desire for authenticity and adventure in local areas. They used storytelling to convey how staying with locals could transform a trip to a meaningful journey. Now, think about your own digital product idea or project. How can you use these marketing principles to bring them to life? Start by understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? And how does your idea fit into their lives? Then craft a compelling message that speaks to their needs and desires. Marketing is also about finding the right channels to reach your audience, whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or partnerships. It's about being creative and resourceful, using every opportunity to showcase why your idea matters. But perhaps most importantly, marketing isn't about authenticity, it's about connecting with people. stories and experiences that feel genuine and honest. So let your passion and belief in your idea shine through in everything you do. Remember, marketing isn't just a business term, it's a powerful tool for sharing your vision and making an impact. So embrace the challenge, explore new possibilities, and watch as your ideas resonate with the world around you. Now is the time to tell your story and show the world what you have to offer. Uses the internet and digital tools to promote products and services. Think about the last QR code you saw on Instagram. Didn't you scan it and see it? Take Amazon for example. It suggests products based on what you've bought before, making shopping easier and more fun. Don't you see ads while scrolling Instagram, in Shorts, or Facebook? That is digital marketing. Netflix does something similar with movies and shows. It recommends you stuff that you like based on what you've previously watched. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram also use digital marketing. They show ads based on what you like and do online. Google helps too by showing ads when you search for things and by making sure websites show up higher in search results, which is called SEO. Digital marketing helps businesses connect with people in a smart way, using data to make ads and recommendations online on what people actually want to see. It's how companies make shopping and browsing online more personalized and convenient while sitting at their home. Let's talk. Sorry. Let's talk about something really nice. But before we start, think of a few examples for digital marketing. Google, Alexa, Siri, Google, Cortana, YouTube, WhatsApp, everything that you see around you which is promoting a product is called digital marketing. Let's talk about a very important term, brand. A brand is more than just a name or logo. It's about how people perceive your business or product. It gives your business a distinct identity and recognition in a crowded marketplace. Think about Coca Cola on your screen. It's not just about the taste, but the red logo that brings joy and togetherness. Let's talk about a luxury brand, Gucci. It signifies luxury and precision, while Dove, on the right side on your screen, promotes real beauty and positivity from the white color. Branding is important because it defines who you are and what sets you apart from others. It builds trust and makes you memorable. Consistency, authenticity, emotional connection, and adapting to trends are key to a successful brand strategy. In essence, a strong brand is very, very important. It gives a company a distinct identity, image, perception, and recognition to it in a very crowded marketplace. A brand is represented by a name, term, design, symbol, logo, or any other feature. It's not just about what you sell, but how you connect with people and stand out in the market. Now, do you see this logo of Dove? Let's talk about that. Something that we see every day, but might not always think about it. Logos. A logo is like a school uniform for a brand. It's how they dress up to show who they are. Here's why logos matter. A logo is like a brand's ID card. It's the face of the company or product. It helps us recognize and remember them. Close your eyes and think about the Apple logo. Don't you remember it? Think about it. When you see that half eaten apple, what comes to mind? Apple. It's that quick connection our brain makes because of their logo. Why do logos matter? Logos aren't just pretty pictures, they're like a shorthand for example. Their logo with the bold colors and red background gets us thinking about superheroes and epic adventure. It's like a sneak peek into their movies and comics. Let's talk about a few examples, as we previously spoke about. Apple. You see that bit in Apple and think about iPhones, MacBooks, and cool tech products. It's all about simplicity, style, and efficiency. Marvel. The bold letters and red background scream superheroes and action packed stories. It's like a signal that says, get ready for something awesome. Adidas. Those three stripes, they're not just cool design, they stand for sports, speed, and strength. When you see them, you think of athletes making an impression. A good logo sticks with you. It's simple enough to recognize instantly, even from far away. That's why companies spend so much time and effort in designing them. They want you to remember their brand and what they stand for. So the next time you see a logo, think about what it's telling you. It's not just a picture, it's a whole story behind the brand. Let's dive into another part of branding, taglines. You know those catchy phrases that brands use to tell you who they are in just a few words? A tagline is like a brand slogan. It's a short and sweet way for them to introduce themselves and what they're all about. It's like their motto or mission statement, but in a way that sticks in your head. Why do they matter though? Taglines are like mini stories. They help us remember what a brand stands for and why we might want to choose their products. Think about it. When you hear just do it, what brand do you think of? Nike. It's a simple sentence that says, hey, get out there and go for it. Let's talk about a few simple examples that you might know. Nike, just do it. It's like a cheerleader in your head, pushing you to go beyond your limits and achieve those goals. McDonald's, I'm loving it. It's not just about burgers and fries, it's about enjoying every moment with a smile. Ford, go further. Or build Ford tough. This tagline tells you their cars aren't just vehicles, they're strong and reliable partners on the road that will support you. A good tagline sticks with you. It's like a little jingle you can't get out of your head, but in a good way. Brands spend a lot of time crafting these things because they want you to remember them when you think about certain things. So the next time you hear a tagline, think about what it's saying. It's more than just a few words. It's a promise and a personality that a brand wants you to connect with. Now let's understand something that's very crucial for businesses and really interesting for us, the marketing message. It's how companies tell us why their stuff is awesome and why we should care. A marketing message is how a business explains why their product or service is valuable to us. It's like their way of saying, hey, this is why you should choose us. It's a medium or communication designed to influence customers, expressing the essence of why a customer buys from them. But why does it matter though? Think about it this way. When you see an ad for a new video game, what do they tell you? They'll probably say something like, experience epic adventure like never before. That's their marketing message. It's telling you why playing their game will be the best time ever. Apple, think different. This message isn't just about their product, it's about their whole philosophy of innovation and creativity. Coca Cola, open happiness. It's about sharing moments with family and friends. Amazon, delivering smiles. It's not just about packages, it's about making your life easier and more convenient. Maggie, as you see on your screen, 2-minute noodles. Maggie's marketing message is simple and effective. It promises a quick and delicious meal solution for busy people. iPhone, this changes everything. Or privacy, that's iPhone. Again, iPhone's message is about revolutionizing the way we communicate and experience technology, always pushing boundaries with privacy. A good marketing message connects with us on a personal level. It's not just about selling stuff, it's about showing how their product can make our lives better or more fun. Businesses work hard on these messages because they want us to feel eager about what they can offer. So, when you see an ad or hear about a new product, think about the marketing message. It's not just something that they're telling about their product, it's a promise of how they want to make our lives better and add some value. See little flyers or animation posters, videos every day about businesses talking about their products. These are called marketing collaterals. These are things companies use to tell us about their products and why we should love them like they do. Marketing collaterals are all the material companies use to promote their products or services. Think of them as tools to show what you have to offer. It can be anything from a simple flyer to a flashy video. It's all about catching our attention and telling the story. A few examples of marketing collaterals: a flyer, a quick and easy way to share information. It's like a mini poster you can hold in your hands or see online. Poster, big and bold. Posters grab your attention with eye catching designs and messages. Brochure. More detailed than a flyer, brochures give you lots of info about a product or service. A video. From ads to tutorials, videos bring products to life and show us how they work, like a quick demo. Animation. Fun and engaging. Animations make boring stuff seem very cool. TV ads. You see them during your favorite show, making you laugh, think, or even cry. Sometimes interruption, but a good thing if you like the product. Infographics. A mix of pictures and info that tells a story in a glance. Good for quick learning. Magazine ads. Seen in your favorite magazines or comics, these ads make you want to try something new. Now, let's think a little about marketing campaigns. It's like when a company goes all out to tell everyone about their product in a big way. A marketing campaign is a focused and intense effort to reach a specific audience with one goal to get us eager about their products or services and maybe even buy them. They use everything from TV ads to Facebook posts, merchandise, billboards, and ads on buses and YouTube to get their message across. Coca Cola. Remember those catchy Christmas ads? Coca Cola's campaign aren't just about soda, they're about happiness and togetherness, making us feel warm and fuzzy inside, making a splash. When companies launch a campaign, they want us to feel a particular emotion, something they're aiming to make us want what they're selling. That's why they put so much effort into these campaigns. They want us to see their brand in a whole new light. So, the next time you see a cool ad on a bus or a flyer in the mail, think about all the work that went into making. It's not just about selling their products, it's about telling their stories and making us feel that one emotion and making us feel connected to what they offer. So, now you've learned about marketing and branding. But now let's try to apply these on how to submit our own assignment. Create a brand name and logo. Develop a meaningful brand name and logo that reflects your business values. Craft a tagline and marketing message. Your tagline, like democratizing travel, should convey your brand's mission in a very short manner. Your marketing message, such as experience the world virtually, should highlight the unique benefits of your product or service. Design a marketing flyer. Create a flyer incorporating your brand logo, product, service highlights, promotions, and contact details. Ensure it aligns with your brand's visual identity and effectively communicates your message. And then refine your digital product. Align your digital product with your tagline and marketing message to maintain consistency and enhance consumer appeal. Let's see a few examples. Example of brand name and logo explanation. The brand name here is Virtuality 360. Now, what's the meaning of their logo? The logo features a globe symbolizing the world with vertical and horizontal grid lines that denote virtual reality technology. A figure observing the globe represents a global explorer. Together, the elements signify Virtuality 360's offering of immersive 360-degree virtual tours around the globe. A few examples for tagline and marketing message. The tagline is democratizing travel, and the marketing message is experience the world virtually. The tagline democratizing travel communicates Virtuality 360's mission to make global travel accessible and affordable to everyone. Meanwhile, the marketing message experience the world virtually and encourages customers to enjoy immersive travel experiences from the world comfort of their homes. Let's move on to the next example. A brand name, logo, and tagline for an ebook business. If you see this ebook, whose business name is Interactive Books Private Limited, and the logo and the basic brand is A Trek to Beeskund, Himachal Pradesh. On the right side, you can see the brand name and the logo of Experilog. The tagline is Bringing Travel Experiences Alive. Now let's talk about how do you make your own marketing flyer. So you can make your marketing flyer using a lot of platforms, and one example can be Canva. Let's talk about the components of a marketing flyer. The first thing is the brand logo. As we spoke before, display your logo prominently in the flyer so that people get an image of your brand in their brains visually. Highlights of the product or service. Briefly describe what your business offers. Offers and promotions. If applicable, include any special deals or promotions. Contact details are extremely important. It makes it easy for customers to reach you. Tagline. Include your tagline to reinforce your brand message. Add a few graphics. Use visuals that align with your brand identity and appeal to your target audience. Marketing message. Incorporate your marketing message to convey the benefits of choosing your business product. QR code. Always include a QR code for easy access to promotions or more information. The QR code can be a link to your website too. A few tips and suggestions. Produce a brand name for your online business and not for your individual products. Many people tend to make this mistake of creating a brand name for their individual products, not for their online business. Make sure you do not repeat the same mistake. Your business name and brand name can be different. Company name, example, Supermarket Grocery Supplies Private Limited, or brand name, Big Basket. Your brand can collectively represent one or more products offered by your business. Example, product name, Santoor soap for dry skin, Santoor soap for oily skin, Santoor hand wash, etc. One brand name, Santoor. This ensures that the brand identity, color, style, fonts, themes, etc. are used uniformly and consistently across your product website, your online store, your social media posts, your marketing collaterals, letterheads, presentations, videos, advertisements, etc. I hope that you learned a lot about marketing and branding today. But before we move on to the question and answers, here are three fun activities that you can do to reinforce your learning on marketing and branding. Firstly, read the comic book on marketing and branding. This can actually help you understand marketing and branding in a very interactive and a better way than just listening to a speaker. This uses visuals too. So it's just like reading Tinkle. Second thing, solve this puzzle on branding and marketing. This will reinforce all the terms that I mentioned now. This will tell you and help you remember the terms like marketing message, tagline, brand logo, and all of that. Then, to help understand things better, review the flashcards on branding and marketing. Our team has created all of these resources for you to understand more and reinforce your topic. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope this was a very useful session for you, and you will surely go ahead and market your own product, create a few flyers, and submit your assignments too. I hand the session over to Suman sir, and now let's move on to the question and answers. Am I audible? Hello? Are you there, Suman sir? Okay, so I think there's a network issue. So I'll just tell you a little bit more about, let's say, what's the purpose of branding and marketing? This is a very frequently asked question from a lot of mentees or participants. So, branding helps businesses create a unique identity and establish a connection with their target audience. It communicates the values, personality, and promises of the company or product. Yes, so I think Suman sir is here.
Yeah, Jay, I think there was some internet glitch here. Okay. Is the voice clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hi. So the session is good. Like, shall we proceed out with the question and answer round?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, sure. So basically, we have received three questions till now in the chat box, and let us go one by one. Okay. So, first, like if we can just share a little bit about like why is the understanding of a target audience very important in terms of marketing?
Okay, sure. Understanding your target audience allows you to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. It helps you segment the entire demographics of the people based on different things. So you cannot cater to the entire world or the entire nation. Sure you can, but if you want to target your marketing to a specific target audience, make sure you do that. It helps in crafting messages and choosing the right channels and developing products Sorry. It helps in crafting messages, choosing the right channels, and developing products that meet their needs and preferences. So I think this was my understanding on why understanding your target audience is very important in your marketing.
No worries, Jaya. If you want to attend the call, you can attend it.
No, sir, sorry, it was just a
Okay.
notification.
Okay, no problem. Chalo. Okay, so you have mentioned a little bit about the customer reviews. So what role does it play, like along with testimonials in the marketing campaigns?
Sure. So, customer reviews and testimonials serve as social proof that actually influence the potential customers' purchasing decisions. Take your example. If you go to an Amazon link or open an Amazon link for a product, you check the reviews first. Those are the customer reviews and testimonials that build trust and credibility. Positive reviews build credibility and trust, while negative reviews can highlight areas of improvement for yourself too. So I think it's a win win situation.
Yeah, I'll just like to add to it. Like, and the importance of reviews, like it is very, very underrated in today's marketing business. So because when you get a good review, you get repeated orders, and it can actually expand your reach and as well as the order value or the business value by a lot of things. So so yeah, whenever you are doing anything, whenever you creating any business, do focus a lot of reviews, getting good testimonials. Not only text testimonials, you can also focus on video testimonials so that like people can actually relate to it in a much better way. Okay, so
Yes.
one more question we have, Jaya, is that like what is the purpose of branding in marketing campaigns?
So previously I took this question as it was an FAQ. So I'll just repeat this in a very quick manner. Brands basically help businesses create a unique identity and establish a connection with their target audience. It's like whole personality of the company.
And like Jia, like if you can just mention what would be your most favorite marketing campaign that you have ever seen till now? Like other than the options,
This is
other
a,
than the examples that you have mentioned till now, something very wacky that has actually caught your eye. That might be something very recent, something very old, anything.
I think my favorite one has to be Amul's marketing campaign. The most important reason being that it blends humor with their product promotion and always speaks on current topics that attracts everyone's attention. So, in my opinion, it's a great way to make people at least look at your brand. Amul is already extremely established, but when they speak about current affairs and topics, and they're very witty in their advertising too. So that's my favorite.
Yeah, and along with Amul, there is one more brand called as Tata Tea. I don't know you'll have seen the campaigns or not. Like it was a little bit older campaign. It was mostly in the 2000s and 2010, this early 2010s. So they had started a very exciting campaign called as Jago Grahak Jago. So in that, they were actually, instead of selling tea, they were trying to infuse social messages and trying to increase the consumer participation in different things. If there are elections, the importance of elections were focused on. If there's anything new, if there's anything, any act passed or any bill passed, so related, some information related to it was passed. So not just marketing your business or just promoting your business, you can actually relate it to many other things that can indirectly affect your business. So Tata Tea being a consumer brand, improved their sales a lot and it became very, very popular. So yeah. So do let us know which are your favorite campaigns in the chat box. Uh, so with that, actually, I think we are towards the end of the session. Thanks a lot, Jaya, for like explaining what branding and marketing is. I hope that the students, the teachers, as well as mentors have learned a lot from today's session, and this will be very beneficial for them in creating their own marketing campaigns for their own products. So before ending the session, like any advice, Jaya, you're a very successful Tinkerpreneur. You have been a part of the Tinkerpreneur journey many times. You have been a part of the Atal Catalyst program. So you have your own startup voice right now. So any suggestion or closing comment that you would like to give our Tinkerpreneur aspirants for this year?
I think the most important one has to be to engage with whoever you're targeting. So when you think about, let's say you want to sell homework or homework accessories or resources, engage with people and ask them what they feel, if they feel that's going to work. I think that's my golden piece of advice, that always understand your target market first, what they want, what are their needs, and if they actually like your idea or not. I think that's my suggestion and my advice too.
Okay, so you heard it from Jia, guys. So thanks a lot, Jia, for this exciting session. So all the best for the Tinkerpreneurs for the remaining journey ahead. So there are a lot of sessions lined up for you in the coming weeks. Hope you complete your assignments on time, engage with your mentors, try to get as much as expertise and guidance on your product from them. Try different type of iterations, try asking for reviews, go to your customers and ask them ask them to try it out the product. And yeah, so that would be all from our side. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining us on a Sunday evening. And happy tinkering. Have a good day.